Konica Minolta is a leading global services provider of commercial and industrial printing solutions. With a choice of printing systems, services and related supplies to help businesses manage their demands better. Together in partnership with UAE distributors Juma AL Majid establishment for 46 years, Konica Minolta has excelled in service-led business consulting in the region, with world-leading printing systems and specialized solutions for embellishments in printing. A recent project saw the Konica Minolta team help their client, Silverpoint Printing Press, with a unique request, which was fulfilled with the implementation of their product, the MGI JETVARNISH 3DS and iFOIL S.
My name is Shijol Anapan and I am the CEO at Silverpoint Printing Press. We are a well-equipped company with print production, packaging and digital printing services. We provide unique value-added services with specialization in spot UV coating and foil stamping services using digital and conventional methods. In recent time, our customers have a demand for a new digital methods to make their printed material look different with more special effects. To meet the customer demand and to stay ahead in the digital printing market, we were searching for a new technology vendor, and that's when we identified a potential solution with Konica Minolta.
Silverpoint is one of the few print service providers in the UAE who are in the business of digital value addition. This made Silverpoint a perfect candidate for enhanced value-adding business than what they were doing already. Being a well-established service provider to most of the print houses and printing presses in the UAE, and looking for new digital innovations and solutions, we were confident that Silverpoint would understand and implement quicker than anybody else. After the launch of our MGI JETVARNISH 3DS with iFOIL, Silverpoint was amongst our first few shortlisted guests. This specific product is designed to produce outstanding finishing with spot UV, 3D raised effect and hot foil stamping. With the JETVARNISH 3DS, we can get jobs done better and faster.
We got a full presentation about the product benefits, about the foiling and spot UV features, and before we made our decision, we tested various applications on a variety of media. We are very happy about that the outstanding raised and embossed effect, single pass UV and foiling features, automatic registration without need of eye marks or registration marks, which are all ideal for profitable short and medium print runs.
Konica Minolta's MGI JETVARNISH 3DS with iFOIL S is a unique and one-of-its-kind product that combines multiple embellishment solutions in a single pass system, guaranteeing faster outputs for short-run prints. It eliminates needs for films and dyes, allowing you to produce hot foil stamping and embossing jobs from 1 to 1000 of sheets with high profitability and ease of use. With this product, embossing can be done without debossing on the back page. You can modify layout with sizes ranging from A4 to 36.4 times 102 centimeters and on paper substrates ranging from 135 to 450 microns. Embellishments are possible on printed sheets from offset and digital presses with or without lamination. It's eco-friendly because there are no varnish residues, no cleaning between jobs, no material waste between jobs, and also cost effective because there is reduced paper wastage, varnish and electrical consumption. But what presses like Silverpoint would love the most about this product is faster turnaround time, single pass production of spot UV and foil, no drying time means job immediately ready for finishing. And the best part is the machine is immediately available for the next job as there is no setup time.
We are extremely happy with their support and their product, and we look forward a long-term engagement with them and their future solutions.
With innovative technology like MGI JETVARNISH 3DS brought to us by our principals Konica Minolta, we can keep our customers updated with the latest technologies in the digital and industrial printing.
At Konica Minolta, we are focused on building products that get the job done in demanding production applications. As we continue to respond to customer needs with relentless creativity, innovation and technology, we are committed to giving shape to ideas.